Hello dear friends, today I will show you how can you apply Cyberpunk neon effect on your photos in just one click. After doing some experiments I created a preset that you can download from the video description. How to import and use this preset I show you in this video. But before we start, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please press the red subscribe button to watch my upcoming tutorials in future. The first method is, open the Photoshop. Open the image on which you want to apply the effect. Then go to Filter and choose Camera Raw Filter. You can load the presets file from here. Or you can also load from here. Click on Load Settings. Then select the file that you downloaded from the video description. Then click to open. The effect has applied, now click OK. But this is a temporary way to load the file, let me show you what I mean. When you go again to Camera Raw Filter, see there is no any preset file available. So with this method you will have to load the preset file each time again and again. Now I show you another way, and I will recommend you to use the second method. Go to My Computer. Then open your primary drive, in which your operating system is installed. Then go to Users. And choose your PC username not public. Now there is another folder which is hidden. How to show the hidden files? I tell you two different methods. The first method is, open the control panel. By the way, you can search the control panel from the search bar in apps. In Control Panel go to Folder Options. Then click on View. Then click on Show Hidden Files and click OK to apply. Now you can see the hidden files and folders. Now I show you another shortcut way to do this. Click to View. Then click on Hidden Items to show or hide the hidden files and folders. Now let's continue. Open the App Data folder. Then go to Roaming. Then go to Adobe. Then Camera Raw. Then go to Settings. Now copy the Camera Raw preset file and paste in the Settings folder. Now close the window and open your Photoshop. Open the image where you want to apply the effect. Now go to Filter and choose Camera Raw Filter. Now click here and go to Apply Preset. As you can see here, the preset file is available to use. Now you can also apply this preset from here. Just click on it to apply and press OK. Now you don't need to load the preset file again and again, just open the image and apply the filter. Now I will show you, how can you change the opacity of any preset including this one. Open the image and before applying the camera raw filter, convert the layer as smart object or smart filter. Now as you can see this is too much. Now we can increase or decrease the effect opacity according to our taste. Double-click on the settings button to open the opacity window. Now you can change the preset effect opacity from this slider. And you can also do some experiments with different blending modes. I hope you will like this tutorial. To watch more upcoming videos please press the subscribe button and share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching, goodbye.